I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold.
Ooh-wee. So when it comes to diamond grills, y'all, this is what everybody has been looking for. The Honeycomb. Some people call them zigzag. Some people call them bee's nest. In the jewelry industry, some people call them bee's nest. One of my former journeyman jewelers used to call it that. But these are the honeycombs. Right now, guys, if you want one of these and say you wanted a 6 top, 6 bottom, or just a 6-piece, I can get you a special going right now. The special, and we're talking about SI diamonds. We're looking at about $3,000 for a 6-piece. If you want the top and bottom, I can go $5,800. I'm throwing them deals out this week and this week only, guys, because then a lot of people you might be sitting on some disposable cash, and you want to get iced out and be walking out there looking like $1 million bucks. But you see it, you see the quality work. No stones missing. Stuck it in ultrasonic and cleaned it today. No stones falling out. And that's very good for honeycomb, because honeycomb is one of the ones where it's more susceptible to falling out because of how many stones. And so many stones, they're not being held by many prongs that say prong setting. Prong setting has 4 prongs that hold each stones, while honeycomb might have 6 diamonds being held by 3 prongs. Done properly, they will not fall out, which you see your guys do. Thank you, everybody that been showing us incredible, crazy love on the channels, man. My people is nuts out there. Oh, looks like one fell out. I got to replace that one right there. No problem. I can get in the bench and do that myself, y'all. But yeah, thank you, everybody that been supporting the channel. It has been straight up bonkers, bananas, craziness on all of the pages, man. So it looked like when I clean this bad boy, that one fell out. So that'll be in the ultrasonic. I'll go find that and reset that real quick. Just needs to be set a little bit. The prongs have to be set a little bit tighter. Got to sharpen my tools and get that thing going. Thank you, everybody, man. They're literally turning my business line into an update line. So I got to start reiterating, slowing it down once again with the clients and letting them know this is custom jewelry. Unfortunately, we can't call our jewelers 30 to 50 times a day. Man, check on this one, check on that one, check on this one, check on that one, check on that. We can't do that, but we appreciate you guys for tapping in, man, and just leave us a text and we'll definitely get back with you. We got everybody on file. All molds are being done properly right now, guys. So if you got your grill order in with us, you should be coming out. All right, guys, thank you so much for tapping in. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Y'all have a blessed week. All right, peace.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grills, tighter than roach clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole